My people, I don't bring una another interesting begin from one of our slay queens. All the slayers for the house. This one a big brother Niger mate. Additionally, many of una know her. Yes, she been there for Big Brother house. In name na Nenji. This girl don't come out. In fact, she dey come outside, they give us pose, they dengue the pose, they show us all the surgical and fake artificial work wey they do for Nyash. My people, this girl before she been dey deny all this thing o. She dey deny am, but she herself no even know when she go expose am. Say she do. Now she don come outside. She say she dey show her fans how God don bless am. Why una dey lie with God name? My people abeg, for una wey no know, una wey no know the girl, una wey no even know about Big Brother, una wey no even see the video, una wey no even know say she do surgery. I bring the video for una. Abeg, let's watch the video. Why una dey kill una sef? No, why una wan die before? No, all these things, they dey necessary. Nigeria by force now dey try to westernize. Una just wan turn western, like by fire by thunder. Una no even wan know how. But I dey hope say as una dey westernize, una go ready to face all these consequences. Imagine person wey God create o, e go do im own thing. See, una need to learn how to love una self. You understand? The problem wey I get with Africa be say una wan be like white people at any cost. At any cost, una no even care. E no even concern una as long as say people go say una fine o. But wetin una no know be say white people dey even wan be like us. Na the irony of life be that. The people wey una dey fight to be like, people wey una wan kill una self for, they even dey admire us. See, white people dey admire black o. Una no know. See, love yourself. Una no understand. How you wan take respect your body? How you wan dey confidence of yourself when you dey? See, because like this, she dey lack confidence. If truly you no dey lack confidence of yourself, you suppose dey grateful and you suppose flaunt your natural self. Na that one go show people say, this girl. You understand? The people wey even dey pity, na our next generation. Our next generation go suffer this thing because this girl, she dey influence plenty teenage girls. If you see people wey wan die for this girl matter, na think say na joke. People dey wey dey ready to die. And now na this kind person dey go call. The thing wey dey pain me, this same Nenji. And I dey sure say many of una no even remember. E get one time wey she dey call Lucy. Una know Lucy. She dey call Lucy Amoeba. She dey insult the girl. And that period all of us been think say, this girl body dey natural. Meanwhile, she don go do fake things. So as she call the girl, my sister, see, person wey you dey call Amoeba, I even prefer im body as e dey natural like that. I prefer im body than the fake thing wey you don go do. You get mouth, open that your big mouth, basket mouth, you call person Amoeba. You, wait. Now when that thing warm, when warm start dey comot for your nyash, you go call us to help you. Na here we go dey. Relax, you understand? Things like this, na in Africans dey call achievements. Like this now, she go for her mind that she don arrive. My sister, better things dey than surgery. You understand? Better things than surgery. And men, una self, una dey disgust me. I dey very, very serious. As una dey see, I no dey smile. How wetin una dey enjoy? Imagine man wey dey follow this kind of person. Na plastic una just dey press. You say you get woman, you dey press plastic when soft meat dey very available. See, my people, men especially, see, learn how to appreciate your women. You understand? Appreciate your women, even if she is slim. Appreciate am because she dey natural. All those things, they no go last forever. And girls, wetin una no know be say, guys, una dey do all those fine surgery. When they get wetin they want from you, they go. Because they know say that thing go so expire. You understand? Na wetin una suppose get for una mind be that. Men, make una learn. Make una stop all those things because you dey intimidate people wey no go do surgery. And na because of una girls now wan go rob bank. All in the name of I must look nice for my man. I pity all of una. All of una. Relax. I been a year day. As I sit down here, now there I go consider again, bring una matter again. Now wait till una no know. My people, na the matter be this. So our big brother Naija star girl, she don't go do now. As soon as see, she don't flaunt and finish. She won't make una see am. Abeg, as una don't see am, which message una get for am? Don't forget, drop am for the comment section. You understand? She go hear from me. Trust me now. And don't forget, subscribe. Click on that notification bell. If not, you go to miss things. So share this video because you need reach Nanji. I mean Nanji. Your name. Yes, it need reach you because you need hear my voice. You understand? And if you like, no repent. Yes, my people, now their Aproko show be this. And now 101 TV things they share. I go see you now later. Slay Queens matter. They don't catch this one. They say she go buy hair. According to Ram, say she dey check for the hair. She don't select the one which she wants select from one woman shop. As she finish, they select the hair, my people. And so she say she no get cash on her. Say she supposed to do transfer. You know how these people where they won't belong, they talk. You go even see them say you go the shame go even they catch you say see your age mate. Now so as she dey do transfer, my people. Now so they can't catch am. The transfer na fake one. You know this kind of thing where person go receive alert, but you no receive alert. And even they wonder how they do am. And they talk say no be the first time. Say she don't na so she dey do all these scammers. She don't follow scammers, they scam people. They say any shop where she enter, she go do like say she dey transfer. Meanwhile, na fake one. So I bet make una dey alert. Meanwhile, he gave video where they don't catch am for this last one and the last bus stop. They don't catch am where they even, in fact, they even remove her clothes. They even beat her on top. No be smart, you know. I beg my people, I won't make una watch the video with una koro eyes.
Kí ló ń ṣe náà? Now put it on video. Put it on video. She came to my store. She steal. Put it on video. Only 75,000. Only. She did the same thing to my friend Glory. Only 75,000. Fake transfer. Put it on video. Bitch, God don't catch you today. See, I'm only 75,000 there. Fake transfer. I'm mad. Oh yeah, what's this?
Now by force to slay? No, na by force. Who na they try impress? Person where you even they try to impress, no fit give you money. Yet you still they try to impress am. Dress to kill, dress to kill, dress to kill. Now on a national anthem, I must dress to kill. All the dressing to kill one, I don't they dress. How many people don't die? No, na how many people don't die? See, fake life no dey easy o. Because you must continue to the fake, to the cover the previous fake. Now so they good. Now so these people they live. Oh. I no can understand between fake life and celebrities who even they suffer pass. No, walk. They say make una walk, una say una no go walk. Now to the disgrace una self, una just decide to the disgrace una self. Una no go walk. Now to the sleep around, and to the live fake life. Now that one they work for una. No walk, una don't see am. See what they do to this one. She even they try cover face. All of una way even they there, they just the open mouth, they talk say why they go treat her like that now? Say she be human being. She don't say she be human being when she they go do fake transfer. Now top person business. The person who get the business, una know how she take get her money. Make una they talk with sense sometimes now. I know they like all this kind of talk. Imagine. This girl now, how old she be? No, how old she be? When she they go thief hair. If you no get money for human hair, buy synthetic now. Now buy force. Abi they go point gun for your head. Say you know where human hair. All these small girls where their eye don't open. This world don't change. Oh, before where 7 p.m. you no go even see small children around. Everybody do enter house, some they do assignments, some they watch cartoon. But today, even 10 p.m. for that corner, you go see them, they chop love. What you know, no, time when I suppose they do assignments. Anyway, I don't even blame these people. No, because it dey start from parents. E dey start from parents. Any small thing you wan buy, there is time for everything, my people. There is time for everything. If na to go school, go school. If na to work, make sure say you work. Time go reach where you go wear all the expensive things wey you wan wear. You sef you go tire. E go tire you. Why una dey rush? No, why una dey rush? And bia, all these small girls, boys, sorry, na because of una, all these girls dey go thief, wey dey no even get sense. Make una behave una sef. See, person even talk this thing o. If you no get money, no get erection, because relationship na for people wey get money. If you no get money, control your thing. Make you no dey stand anyhow, because see wetin una dey cause. Una dey send these people to go dey misbehave, dey thief, all in the name. Me, I don talk this thing, I dey talk am again. No be by force o. And if you know say you wan live extravagant life, luxurious life, go and work. Your mates are working, you are there doing fake transfer. They never even beat you safe. I wish say I dey there, I go join them, give you it tosa. You dey there, dey thief, you see your age. Abeg my people, no be next time. Next time, nobody go tell you. You go wear your suit according to your size. You no go look for the thing wey oversize for you. You never see anything. My people, na the matter o. Slay queens no go kill us. Na them dey slay pass, but we no even dey see wetin dey slay. Fake life, yes, na im be this. As una don watch am, una don hear me, wetin una think? How we fit stop this thing? How we fit stop this fake life? I wan know, because see, anything wey una drop down, I go pass am across again. You understand? So drop am there. Any advice wey you get, how we fit reduce all this slay queen wahala, because they dey cause wahala for this society. I wan know. Share this video. If you reach another slay queen so that she go repent. You understand? Nobody knows. And click on that like button, because I know say you enjoy am. Trust me, na me we are Proco Madam. And don't go far, because we get better hot one. Make sure say you stay connected. I go see you later.